Brian! Ayan, I wanna wish you a happy birthday first and foremost. It's actually hindi siya super matagal, right, that we've known each other, but I'm really happy for what's happening in your life right now. I'm really happy for the success in your career, and at the same time, Bam Bam, I wish you all the best, and I wish you a very pleasant birthday this year. I know that there's so many things that is happening around the world right now, but I love the way you keep it more positive all the time. And whenever you do stream, I feel like you're giving too much good vibes, which is really amazing. And I wish you all the best. I wish you good health as well on your birthday, and I pray and I hope that you'll be able to find more happiness in life this entire season of your career and your birthday as well. I wish you all the best, babe. Yeah, thank you so much for the love and support as well sa page ko. Maraming salamat. I wish you all best in luck in your life and in your career. Much love. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boss Bam Bam from Nogi TV. Peace out.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Boss Bri Ariel, aka Bam Bam Gaming. Shoutout sa'yo, Boss, from Bossing Gaming family. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Peace out, more followers to come. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hello, Nino Jethro here. I just want to greet you, Bam Bam Gaming. Happy birthday. And more birthdays and more blessings to come to you. And wish you all the best on your streaming. And yeah, see you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Bam Baby, kay Delicious here. So, malita akong mag-birthday ka. So, gusto lang katangkatin na happy birthday. I wish you all the best, more health, more blessing to come. And push mo lang yung Facebook page mo. So, supportan ka namin lahat. So, God bless and happy birthday once again. Okay? Kay Delicious here. Bye!
Happy birthday, Boss Bam Bam! MD Pierre, support!
Hi, Bam Bam ng Bam Bam Gaming. Yan, happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come, tsaka more skins to come. Ingat kayo lagi. And happy birthday ulit kay Bam Bam Gaming, guys. Yan. Shoutout sa lahat ng part ng Bam Bam Gaming family and community. Happy birthday ulit, Papi Bam Bam. Shoutout sa'yo. Thank you. Sa walang sawang suporta din sa Coco Mewan page. Ingat kayo lagi. And enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Boss Bam Bam.
Stay happy and healthy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yon, happy birthday kay Bam Bam Gaming. More birthday to come sa idolo. Grind lang ng grind. To the moon tayo. To the moon. Yun lang. Enjoy sa birthday mo, Logs. Yun lang. Peace out. Wait, pogi ko.
Isang maligayang kaarawan, Boss Bam Bam. Ayan. And yeah, may your birthday be filled with joy and laughter, and enjoy your birthday. Good luck sa streaming career. Dami sumusuporta sa'yo. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. And you know, thank you.
So, happy birthday sa'yo, Brian Ariel Mali, aka Bam Bam Gaming. Wish ko lang is for you to have a good health and mag-enjoy ka sana dun sa Bicol kasama si Toksay. Yun, wish lang namin sa'yo is maging masaya yung celebration ng birthday mo dyan. Kita-kits soon, tol. Okay. Advance Merry Christmas and happy birthday ulit. Buksan na natin yung JD.
Hi, Bam. Happy birthday. So, hope you enjoy your day and sana napasaya ka. And don't worry kasi lagi kami nandito for you. And syempre sa stream and kay Doc Bebe, syempre. Ayan, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happiest birthday to your dearest Bam Bam Gaming!
And maraming salamat for always supporting us, our stream. And guys, please subscribe to Bam Bam Gaming.
Oo, magkaroon kayo ng supporter badge.
Yes,
guys.
you should have.
So, solid yan guys. Napaka-solid na tao yan. Hindi lang sa laro, di ba daddy? Hindi lang sa laro, pero bilang kaibigan din. Sobrang supportive niya sa amin. And thank you so much sa lahat. Ha, tol, salamat. And this is for you. Happy birthday to you. Come on, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless, bro. Salamat sa lahat.
Thank you. More birthdays to come.
Yes.
Hi, Boss Bam! So, happy birthday! So, thank you sa pagpapasaya. Thank you sa mga skins, sa mga battle emotes na binigay mo sa akin. Siyempre, Dayas, ganon. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Happy birthday, Boss Bam. Wish ko sana marami pa akong makuha yung skin sa'yo. Hindi, joke. Enjoy your day, Boss Bam. Ingat palagi. Stay pogi. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Bam Bam Gaming. Sana masaya po kayo sa birthday nyo. Kaya nga, happy birthday. And ayun po, thank you for giving us good memories po and happiness tuwing nagla-livestream ka po. Yung wish ko naman po, sana hindi nyo po makita yung real account ko po sa Facebook. Tapos, sana matalo rin po kayo sa rank game. Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Boss Bam.
Happy birthday, Lods Bam. Support lang kami lagi. And more birthdays to come and God bless. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Bam Bam!
Happy birthday, Bam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hindi ako marunong gumawa ng birthday greeting, so kanta-kanta na lang. Wala ako masabi. Bantayan mo na lang palagi si Zaira. Ibang papaiyakin. Love you, boss. Bye-bye. Ay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Bam Bam Gaming!
Bakit na? Ayun, message. Naka-video ka na.
Magka-birthday kami niyan eh.
Kaya nga, ano?
28 ito, advance. Umuwi ka naman dito, wala akong kamats. Hirap sa'yo eh, nagtatago ka dyan eh. Umuwi ka rito. Ka-birthday, uwi na rito.
Okay.
Open na. Bahala ka. Baka ikaw ang tumukod, hindi na kami.
Ay, sa'yo.
Yan, happy birthday. Uwi ka na rito. Happy birthday. Ingat, God bless.
Thank you, thank you.
Uy, naka-play na.
Yan, naka-ano na yan. Oo nga.
Oh, Yil, hindi ka na. Ano? Tangina, birthday mo na sa linggo ah. Uwi ka na dito. Basketball na tayo.
Yo, musta? Happy birthday kay Bam Bam Gaming. Sana maging successful pa yung streaming career mo. Yun lang, happy birthday. Banging epic skin.
Hi Kuya Ayel, happy birthday. See you sa pag-uwi mo, chokes kita. Alam mo yan.
Best birthday. Lang. Ingat ka lagi. Okay, Doc. Ano mo masabi sa'yo eh. Happy birthday na lang ha. Yun lang. Yun lang. Happy birthday, ladies.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Karen. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Yeye.
Happy birthday, Gael. Happy birthday, Gael.
Happy birthday, bro. Pasensya na, wala ako sa birthday mo, alam mo naman. Miss you, bro. Love you.
We love you, Yeye.
Happy birthday, Ayel! Hoy, umuwi ka na. Miss na namin yung tofu sisig mo. Ingat ka dyan.
Anak na!
Bye! Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy!
Hi Captain, happy birthday po and God bless and wishing you all the best and stay safe po. Hope to play with you soon.
Hi Cap, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Stay safe always. Play soon po. Hi Cap, happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday, Ayel! Pakabait ka dyan, ha?
Oo nga, may secret training ka dyan, ha? Happy birthday! Kita-kits soon!
Happy birthday! Ingat dyan! Kita-kits! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday
to you! Happy birthday, Ayel! We love you!
We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ayel! We miss you! Happy birthday, Ayel! We miss you!
Now, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Brian! Oo. Galingan mo yung birthday mo. Damihan mo pa. At saka yung handa, dagdagan mo. Iuwi mo dito. Oo. Stay happy and healthy. Mag-ingat sa pag-drive. Mahala. Huwag magpalalayas. Okay? Lang. Happy birthday, Beb! Happy birthday!
Dabati ka na.
Happy birthday! Miss ka na namin ni Tilda. See you soon. Kahit nasa malayo kang lugar. O bati ka na kay Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Oo, sana magkita-kita na tayo soon.
Pasalubong ko sa abroad.
Oo, sana huwag ka magbabago. Lagi mo kayong padala ng chocolate.
Yung sapatos ko, Tito.
We love you. Oo, mag-iingat ka lagi. Oo, si Matilda ang baho.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Yeye.
Go get
Git na. Tito.
Thank you po. Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday. I love you. I love you. I love you more, Tito Ayan.
Wow,
I love you, Yeye. Happy birthday.
Bro, happy birthday. Wish you more blessing. Yan. So proud of you sa mga na-achieve mo. Lalo na sa streaming career. Yan. Yes. Gwapong-gwapo ka nga daw, sabi ng aking mga anakis. Di ba?
Gwapo ka.
Oh, yes. Gwapo. Yan. Yan. Basta bro, kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang kami ng Tita Chris mo. At sobrang love ka namin, buong family. Tsaka we're happy. We're happy to have a tito like you from our life. Yan.
Happy birthday. We love you. We miss you.
Yeah. Yan. Happy birthday, bro. Yan.
Bye.
Love you.
I love you.
See you.
See you
Oh. See you. Love you, bro. Alam mo yan, bro? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yan. Papski out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan.
Happy
Happy birthday, Kuya Yel. It's been a while since we've seen each other, pero continue mo lang yung stream mo and I'll support you. And I'll be ready when we play basketball. Miss you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Lee.
Happy birthday, Yay. I just want to say that even though I don't call as often, as much as before, I just want you to know that I am one call away. Medyo stress lang and busy. Big girl life, adult life na kasi. So yeah. And I'm really proud of all the achievements and milestones you are currently gaining, and I just wish you a happy, happy life and a good long life with that desire. So yeah, thank you. Love you, see you soon.
Happy birthday, Yaya. I'm really proud of the hard work that you've been doing, and hopefully you can excel more in doing what you love, especially with streaming. And it's really nice to see you happy, talking to your fans. I hope you excel more, and I love you so much.
Ayel, happy birthday, and it's already been a while hindi tayo nagkakasama-sama, pero time will come, kakasama rin tayong lahat, at just enjoy your day, at higit sa lahat, huwag natin pabayaan yung tungkulin bilang Iglesia ni Cristo. Nandun ang pag-asa natin, at yun ang magbibigay ng mabuting kinabukasan sa atin. As you know, lahat naman ang ginagawa namin para sa ating lahat, kaya hindi naman ako madalas makita sa sirkulasyon, hindi naman ako nawawala. We work hard for all of us. Thank you and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, anak. Ang wish ko na sana lahat ng mga inaasa mo sa buhay, lahat ng pinagsisikapan mo para maging mabuti ang buhay mo at ang buhay natin, sana makamit sa awa ng ating Ama. Isa lang naman ang gusto kong mangyari, magkasama-sama tayo lahat. Enjoy your day, anak. At dito lang kami ng mga kapatid mo. Hindi kami, anytime, nandito kami. Alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Basta, text lang. Enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon, ha? Sana napasaya ka namin, no? Love you so much, anak. Miss na kita. Love you.